Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 58. Ulta. Ulta. The word ulta is a verb which means to cry. Again, ulta means to cry. How do we write ulta in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an ul character followed by a real character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine these two syllables. Now let's try looking at this example. It says 저는 울어요. Again, 저는 울어요. The sentence could be subdivided into two. 저는 means I, and 울어요 is the present action of crying. So this is the present tense form of 울다. Just some more information about 저는. 저는 means I, so is the subject, and 는 is the particle added to 저 to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. And if you would remember, since 저 has a vowel ending, we chose 는 over un as the subject particle. Because as the rule says, if the subject ending is a vowel, we will add 는. And if the subject ending is a consonant, we will add un. Now let's proceed with how ulta is transformed into 울어요. So initially we have ulta, this is our verb, and the first step is to remove da. So now we're left with ul. And as we have mentioned before, we'll have to choose a suffix to add to ul. And as you can see, it's oyo that's added to ul. So why did we choose oyo? It's because the last letter or the last vowel sound of ul is not a or o. So this time we will use oyo instead of ayo. So going back to this, as mentioned a while ago, we're just left with ul, and we have chosen oyo because ul does not end with a sound a or o. So ul plus oyo is uloyo. And looking back to this, we already know by now that 저는 울어요 means I cry, or it pertains to the present action of crying. And with that, you've just learned ulta. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 48 to 57. But don't forget our word for today, word number 58, ulta, which means to cry. Next word is hada, which means to do. Next word is gada. This is a verb which means to go. Next word is poeo, and this is used to ask, what is it? Next word is i름, which means name. Next word is manada. This is a verb which means to meet. Next word is achim, which means morning. Next word is sugohaseyo, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. Next word is chonmaneyo. This is used to say, you're welcome. Next word is 없어요. This is used to say, there is no or I don't have. And the last word for our review is 있어요. This is used to say, there is, it exists, or I have. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. 울지마요. 울지마요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 울지마요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 302. 울지마요. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is ul, second syllable is ji, third syllable is ma, and fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 울지마요. 울지마요. The word 울지마요 is a polite or casual way of saying don't cry. Again, 울지마요 means don't cry. If you're familiar with the word 울지마, it has a very similar meaning with 울지마요. They both mean don't cry, but 울지마요 is more polite. How do you write 울지마요 in Hangul? It is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable ul, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by the u character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a jiat character, followed by an e character. For the third syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyam character, followed by an a character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by the yo character itself. So that's how we will write each of these 4 syllables. And in order to write 울지마요 as a whole in Hangul, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables. And with that, you've just learned 울지마요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 292 to 301. But don't forget, our word for the day, word number 302, 울지마요, which means don't cry. The first word for our review is word number 301, 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word for our review is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word for our review is 베프, which means best friend. Next word for our review is 모자, which means hat or cap. Next word for our review is 차이다, which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word is 취미, which means hobby. Next word for our review is 함께, which means together. The next word for our review is 치마, which means skirt. And the last word for our review is 물고기, which means fish. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.